In this video, I'll guide you through how to check login activity on Coinbase. If you've ever received a security alert, noticed suspicious emails, or simply want to make sure your Coinbase account hasn't been accessed by anyone else, checking your login activity is a great habit. Coinbase provides tools that let you review your active sessions and recent sign-in attempts, helping you keep your account secure. Keep in mind that the layout of the Coinbase dashboard may vary slightly depending on your region or future updates, but the overall process is very similar. I'm already logged into my Coinbase account and on the home screen. From here, go to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. In the menu that appears, select Manage Profile to open your account settings. Once you're inside the account settings, look at the navigation menu on the left-hand side and click on Activity. This section contains information about your current sessions as well as recent account activity. The first thing you'll see is your active sessions. Here, Coinbase displays the devices where you're currently signed in. Review this list carefully. If you notice a device or location that you don't recognize, it's a good idea to sign out of that session immediately to help secure your account. Next, look for the Account Activity section. This area shows recent sign-in attempts, including successful logins and failed password attempts. You may also see additional details such as the approximate location and IP address associated with each attempt. Reviewing this information can help you identify any unusual activity on your account. For example, if you notice repeated failed login attempts from countries you've never visited, it could indicate that someone is trying to access your account using credentials obtained from a data breach on another website. In many cases, this doesn't mean Coinbase itself was compromised. Instead, attackers often test email addresses and passwords that were leaked from unrelated services, hoping users have reused the same password across multiple accounts. That's why it's always a good idea to use a unique password for every online account and enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection. If you notice anything suspicious in your account activity, consider updating your login credentials and reviewing your security settings right away. And that's all there is to it. That's how you can check your login activity on Coinbase and monitor your account for any unusual sign-in attempts. If you found this guide helpful, consider leaving a like, and thanks for watching.